Hey Google, what is Pinakbet?
According to definitions.net, Pinakbet or Pakbet is an indigenous Filipino dish from the northern regions of the Philippines. Pinakbet is made from mixed vegetables steamed in fish or shrimp sauce.
Alright, so you heard Google right? And today we will be making Pinakbet. And for ingredients, it's a mixed vegetable. So we have squash, we have our bitter gourd or ampalaya or goya in Japan, we have our eggplant, just 3 vegetables, and then we have our onion. It's actually sweet onion or the white onion, Spanish onion, whatever you call that. And we have here fried fish, shredded fried fish or piniritong isda. Tapos, yung ano lang ba? Basta alam nyo na yan. You know that, right? So we were gonna make pinakbet out from these ingredients. So are you ready? Let's go straight to the cooking. Tasting time. Ano, Tilaw?
Kalabasa tanan.
O kalabasa tanan. Sabi yung pangita.
Kalabasa tanan. Ang unog.
Wala na mo ka nga. Ano ang... Ang plate rin akong di ano. Lami, dili.
Lami.
Sure ka?
Sure.
Di ka, ay naglain yung una.
Lami, ganit no.
Ang gani. Rate 1 to 10.
11.
Charms.